haul videos are one of those videos that I like to binge. Also, I really like shopping. If you guys don't know, Amazon is like my favorite website, and recently they had like this Prime Day sale from 6th to 7th or 5th to 6th, I don't quite remember. They had some amazing deals and I really wanted to make a haul video, so here I am making my Amazon haul. Are seeing this face for the very first time, then I'm Moitri Haldar and I make haul videos like this and skincare videos, makeup videos, food related videos and anything random in general. And if you guys want to suggest any kind of videos, then do hit on that like button and comment down below your suggestions, and also subscribe to my channel for more such content. And let's get on with the haul. So the first product that I wanted to buy is a razor. Now I have been previously using Gillette Venus, and then I shifted to Mark III, which is a men's razor which is meant for the face, that I really liked quite much because Venus didn't quite work well for me and the Mark III gave me a quite close shave. The only problem that I had with Mark III is on some areas it didn't quite bend like a normal woman's razor, so I went ahead and I wanted to buy this razor. This company recently came up. This is the Bombay Shaving Company Athena, and the Bombay Shaving Company is all about like men's products and men's razors. They have shaving creams and whatnot. They recently came up with a women's razor and I was really intrigued. Now this razor is made in Israel, and let me tell you about the razor, how practical it is. This is one of the best razors that I have ever bought. Now first of all, the packaging is pretty nice. It is a soft touch kind of a packaging. The most fantastic thing about this razor is this chotu sa thing right here. What this thing does is it attaches to your bathroom wall. Your razor just attached like this, and then you can easily dry it off in your wall. And this is a really handy function that they gave in this razor. Now this has like 3 blades, and which is common around all of the razors, and the head of this razor goes both ways, goes up and down, so it's pretty flexible and goes around the nooks and corners. And this by far has given me the best closed shave that I have ever experienced. This gives me almost the same kind of feeling like waxing, and I really like it, and I'm going to repurchase more and more cartridges of this until I find a new one. So this retails for about 300 or 350 rupees, and I got for around 230 or 240 rupees during the sale. The next product that I quickly want to mention is again from this brand, the Bombay Shaving Company, and this is the shaving cream. So if you are like me and have strawberry legs, shaving creams are a really big step up in this game. Now you want to create a barrier between your skin and the razor. Shaving cream like this gives you a smooth shave without really irritating your skin. So again, this cost about like 100 to 200 rupees. The next product that I wanted to buy is this Nutri Glow bamboo charcoal face wash. Now this is a very bad product. Don't buy this. First of all, it is loaded with fragrances. Fragrance is a big controversial ingredient in skincare community, but for me, I don't quite mind the fragrance, but this fragrance is too much even for me. Now this is exactly like those cheap face washes that you get. Now they only mention key and active ingredients, and from that also I didn't quite liked it. It is very loaded with fragrance. By the way, I bought this for my body. It didn't quite work well for me. I'm only going to wash my brushes with this. I'm not putting my face and even my body in this. By the way, if you are curious about the cost, that cost about like 250 for 250 ml or something. The next product that I got is a rose powder. Now rose powder is great if you are like into DIY mask. It's a great ingredient to add into your Uptons because rose has this amazing property of balancing out your pH. If you are into DIY mask and DIY skincare, then I have this video right here where you can check skincare like DIY skincare which are not harmful for your skin, and that can be done easily with the ingredients that you already have. So I wanted to have this rose powder as an added ingredient, and this is from this company called Indus Valley. By the way, I keep the rose powder in this container which I have. I keep it in my shower, so it's quite dirty, and this is how the rose powder looks. It's basically like this mud or brownish consistency. It's not exactly like pink like roses, and it also has a pungent smell of roses. Coming on to the DIY concept, I have again a powder. This is Multani Mitti or Fuller's Earth. This is from this company called Nature's Tattva, and sneak peek, this is one of my Indian skincare brand favorites. So if you are into Indian skincare, you can highly check this brand out, which I will make a video, and that video will come out soon. Just your plain simple Multani Mitti. It is finely grounded, so it makes it more porous and more potent for your skin. And Multani Mitti as an ingredient is great for oily skin people. It draws out all the gunk. There are all these benefits of Multani Mitti, which needs a whole separate video for me to talk about. The MRP is 235, but I got this for around like 200 rupees during the sale. The next thing I wanted to buy is a shampoo brush. Especially if you have oily scalp or dandruff scalp like me, then you need a shampoo brush in your life, because your hand and your shampoo doesn't quite cleanses your scalp properly. Something like this. By the way, the bristles are all silicone, and they give your scalp this amazing massaging kind of a feeling, and I really like it every time I wash my hair. This also has like silicone kind of a grippy thing, so it doesn't slip out of your hair if you have shampoo and everything. I have tried it with my hands full of shampoo and soap, and it didn't bulge a bit. It won't tug up your hair, but it would also clean up your hair. And if you have thick hair and if you have like curly hair, then it might help you much more than what it helps me. This was for around like 350 MRP, and I got this for around 250 rupees in the sale. The next product that is one of my repurchases, and it is mentioned in my hair care video, which if you are interested, then you can check it right here. This is the Petal Fresh Anti-Frizz Conditioner. It has the lavender fragrance, which I adore, and the most important thing about this conditioner is it makes my hair tangle free and straight. My hair didn't look like this without straightening. If you go over to my previous videos, like old videos, you will see a slight curl and slight like this kind of a thing with my hair, like that vibe going on, because I straighten my hair sometimes while doing my video, but most of the times I didn't care because hair was already damaged, and this really boosts up that anti-frizzness in my hair, and it really helped my hair a lot, and I love this. This is a pretty huge bottle. It comes for around 550 rupees. I got this around the same price during the sale also, but I really wanted to repurchase this, and this is I think 355 ml, and it's a huge tub of conditioner. Now the next product is the recommendation of you guys. You guys wanted me to try out, so I went ahead and bought it. So this is the Matra's Vitamin C Serum, which also contains hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. Now this is for around like 299 to 300 rupees. I got this for 250 rupees, and I really wanted to check your recommendation, and I will soon post a review after like 2 or 3 weeks of usage, because I really need to use a product for a prolonged period of time for me to actually give a review which will be helpful for you guys. By the way, if you want to check like my review playlist, it's right here. I have reviewed some of the products, not exactly huge array of products, but if you want me to review any products that you like, do comment in the comment box below, and I'll surely buy it and review it for you guys. And also hit on that like button, because this skin goes through a lot, and this skin test everything that you don't need to test, and I post a review. And not just me, every beauty content creator who is putting their skin through so much that they buy a product that you don't have to, they post a review so you can get your options of what to buy and what not to buy. So do support the beauty community and give a like and subscribe and share. This is supposed to be a vitamin C serum. If this is the full ingredient list, then I'm quite happy with this product altogether even before applying it. The next product I have is a dry brush. Got this for around like 450 to 500 rupees during the sale, and this dry brush is made from boar bristles, so it's not exactly vegan friendly. Dry brushing has many benefits. If you want me to make a video on dry brushing, then do it on that comment box below and let me know. Apart from that, I have bought a whole bunch of things for a special person who just came into this world, and he's the most precious person. So he's basically my boyfriend's sister's son, and I don't want to attach any pictures because that's their personal and privacy life. I will mention couple of the products that I bought for him. Apart from that, I also bought some pantry essentials which I don't want to drag this video out. So the last product I bought are couple of like surface disinfectant spray. The first one that I wanted to mention is the Savlon one. I bought 2 of them. It has this men's perfume kind of smell. Cost around like 150 rupees for 170 gram of products. It's a huge bottle and I bought 2 of them. Then I have another like surface disinfectant spray. This is from the company Maricost, and it is the Travel Protect and the House Protect, and they are both like mildly fragrance. This fragrance I really adore, so I wanted to give this one a try. And this fragrance, it has the same fragrance as this one, but it is quite mild, and because it's meant for your home, it does not smell that powerful as this one. Both of them I got in a deal which is around 280 or 240 rupees during the sale. So that was everything that I bought from Amazon Prime Day sale. So hey guys, that was my haul video, a pretty small one compared to my previous haul videos. And if you like haul videos, then do hit on that like button. Comment down below which was a favorite product that I have mentioned in this whole entire haul, and subscribe to my channel for more such content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So bye bye and take care. Can you be my life?